bing, 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 bing. Modern Fowler Scrum. Sam, Matt, it's Friday morning. Yeah, let's do me. I have been working on a case studies document, which I'm hoping will kind of like cut the Gordian knot of the different things that I'm trying to get done. The case studies document, I just shared this in the new projects channel, as it's very draft at the moment, but we've got kind of now like these multiple different ways of like the people have worked with us, you know, paying for some stuff and other stuff is volunteer kind of things. So I'm trying to get that done. I want to send this off to the guy who is talking about this Myanmar project, and they're just telling me that they've got like $5,000 of like credit from Amazon Web Services for their project and so on and so forth. So that's kind of an interesting thing. Yeah, and I'm kind of thinking like if I can have the case studies thing done, and then there's all the other people like off the back of the podcast or whatever who are reaching out and chatting about new projects and so on, is I can sort of send them this case studies document, and then they will be informed, and they'll be able to read that instead and work out if there's, you know, one of these different models from pure volunteering to a paid project, you know, works for them, and sort of we can move the conversations forward and sort of bring in more projects or not, as the case may be. So your input on that document, Matt, very much appreciated. Actually, maybe I should have put it in a wiki, but anyway. Other things that are happening to me, so I was hoping to complete an entire documentation of the how the Media Wiki thing is set up for the NHS project, but got finally stuck. It's now kind of unblocked, but I've just sort of run out of time. I have to get back to it next week. What I have done this morning, yes, local support client meeting, got certain things approved. We've pushed a new version to the Harrow Community Network. It's got like a new integration with Reach Skills API and stuff. So I think I'm finally unblocking some things that I've been the block for a while in local support. And we've also pushed new stuff to production in Website 1. And so Website 1, the Matt, your fixes, I think the security upgrades.
Faster too, maybe just rebooting it.
Say again?
It seemed faster.
Did it?
Maybe restarting it.
Yes, and then maybe, you know, I mean, we've moved from Rails 4. Whatever to 4.2.8 and so on. Who knows? But yeah, I think that the key thing now is we've got this. I was just really keen to get it out. This change now. I was going to go down here. Yeah, so that when people are logged in on here, it's interesting. Okay, so now, right, it's now telling us that nobody's clicked through on this because it's just only just gone live. So people clicking directly. So previously we didn't have a link from here to the this page before on the front page. So it'd be interesting if I then reload it. Does it show my one? That's the other thing. I wanted to make sure that we were excluding what their names are. Like that, it would be nice if the admin people are excluded from this thing. Yes, but so I'm so pleased that's live. Thanks so much for that, Matt. Yeah, but so that's up and that's done. Yeah, and so yeah, we're still sort of blocked on that async. I've made some progress on the async voter project with the routing thing, and it's still needs another kind of hard look at it. But certainly one could be doing testing and merging on the what's it called, the DigitalOcean thing, as I've said in the channel. Yeah, I think that's about it. So we've got other things coming up today. Are the marketing meeting in 50 minutes, and then there's the Website 1 kickoff, and I'll probably do the beta starters meeting today. And yeah, there we go. It's sort of, there's still a lot to sort out, but I guess I'm not directly, but the async voter thing is kind of an annoying. I really wish I could just get that solved, and we'd shut down the DigitalOcean instances, and they would stop sending me emails about getting paying them and stuff. But we're getting there. We're getting there. How? And yes, as you probably noticed, I'm a bit kind of like overwhelmed, but trying to stay calm. How are you doing, Matt?
Oh, very good. I wanted to mention on the Myanmar project, I maintain a website for the FPMT. It's Foundation for Preservation of Mahayana Tradition.
Oh, really? Do you? Wow.
Yeah, I know. It's a read-only site. It's like 10 years old, but
cool.
I don't think you'd want to include it. But you know, it could be
Yeah. That's, you know, if that's related, then that's, you know, put that in and mention that and
related. So I'll send you the link to it.
Yeah. Maybe we should create. I mean, we could create a channel specifically for the project, actually. But yeah, great.
Yeah, I just want to mention that, and the other thing was I asked Sketch using the email he gave me for any licenses they could donate would be great.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah.
I think that's about it, and I'm hoping to pair with Ashley this weekend, do some more on getting started. I got the list of to-dos on the screen with checkboxes. So now we can go to saving it when the individual checks.
Cool.
Yeah.
Great.
So,
nice. Maybe we can look at that more in the website one kickoff.
Yes.
Later today. Yeah. Will you'll be there for the website one?
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be at a friend's house, but I'm going to take my computer.
Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I ended up, Ashley had sort of pinged me in the issue on that, asking about, don't we need a kind of like an admin interface for managing it and so on. And I kind of responded there. I hope I'm not squashing anybody. I was just like,
no, I don't think we need it for this, because you can just add records easily to the task table.
Right, through the console. And I think, yeah, in the long run, if we find ourselves, I mean, I think always with these things, it's kind of like, if you find yourself where your time is being sucked up doing management in the console, and then you have lots of non-technical people who need to come in and evolve that thing, right, then you need an admin interface. But like doing, it's I don't know.
Yeah, we don't need it yet, right?
But getting that balance right is so hard. That's the thing I just spend agonizing about. Like we just
she's busy. She sounds kind of busy with the SHF project, so
right.
It's probably not the right time to do that.
Yeah. I mean, it's a good thought. What was that? Reminding me. Yeah, I also had the report of somebody who was a CA graduate who was looking at upgrading the premium mob and in another area. Anyway, we will come to that in the website one kickoff, I think. Okay. Well, I think that's our Scrum. Is there anything else that we need to sort out?
No, that's it.
Yep. Cool. Okay, great. It's good catching up with you, Matt. Thanks so much for all your efforts there. And I'll see you later on in the website one.
Great.
Cool. All right. Bye for now.